unboxing. Okay. Here, if you just then open like this. Then we got the Google Home. Next, we got manual and the power adapter. Okay, now I'm going to put this in the power. Okay guys, I'm going to give the power. Here is Google Home. Okay. First plugged in, connect the power adapter to your Google Home Mini. Next, get the app. Download the Google Home app from Play Store or App Store on a compatible phone or tablet.
Welcome to Google Home.
Then follow the on-screen setup to finish setup. Next going. I have already installed Google Home app, so I am going to log in. I may connect this Google Home to the Google account. So this Google Home Mini can control Google Chromecast. It can play songs from Google Play Music, Ghana, Geo 7, and it can control smart devices like this Philips Hue light. So it can read news and control all devices and play YouTube videos in your Chromecast and movies in your Chromecast. So I'll review later about it. So bye. Subscribe and like this video. So thank you. Bye.